Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through creating a dashboard in ClickUp, a super useful feature that lets you visualize your project's progress, track tasks, and make smarter decisions at a glance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a dashboard, edit it, and make it really shine with practical data so your ClickUp workspace works even harder for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your ClickUp workspace. This is the central hub where all your projects live and where the magic happens. If you're new to ClickUp, just log in and you'll land on your workspace screen. Now take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place. Think of your workspace as your digital command center for productivity. Next, find and select the specific project you want to build a dashboard for. Each project in ClickUp contains its own set of tasks and goals, so picking the right one is important. For example, if you're working on a marketing campaign, choose that particular project. If you've got several projects, don't worry, you can switch between them easily so you don't have to stress about being locked in. Just click into the project that's your current focus. Once you're inside your chosen project, look along the top for the View option. This is where you determine how you see and interact with your project's contents. Click on View and then select Dashboard. The dashboard is like your project's pulse, showing you all the important info at a glance, like progress graphs, task lists, time tracking, and more. When you first open your dashboard, you'll notice it starts off pretty basic. Don't let that worry you. This is your chance to customize it. ClickUp lets you edit and modify your dashboard so it fits the unique needs of your project. You can add widgets for things like completed tasks, goals, or team workload, and arrange them however you like. The more personalized your dashboard, the better it'll help you stay organized. But here, the key. To really get the most out of your dashboard, you'll need actual project data to fill it out. Dashboards display data from your tasks and lists, so if your project is empty or missing details, your dashboard won't be all that helpful. This is where most people get tripped up, so don't worry if your dashboard seems sparse at first. Take a little time to complete your project with specific data. That means adding your tasks, setting due dates, updating statuses, and entering any info that you'll want to monitor on your dashboard. Think of it like baking a cake. Without the right ingredients, you're not going to get the results you want. As you fill your project with data, your dashboard will come alive, showing real stats, visualizing progress, and giving you insights that make your workflow smoother and more efficient. For example, you might see a graph of completed tasks trending upward over the week, or get a quick visual reminder of what's overdue. And that's really it. Building a dashboard in ClickUp is straightforward once you know the steps, and the more effort you put into populating your project with clear, useful data, the more valuable your dashboard becomes. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's something about dashboards you'd like to see in more depth. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides all about making your work life easier and more organized. Thanks for watching.